guys, it's Kristilani again today. So if you guys see me with the same look, it's because I'm doing a couple videos in one day. And today I do have another Amazon, something from Amazon that I'm gonna review for you guys. And this is like a little remote control police car. So, and it's right there. I'm just gonna like let Novelle go and chase it around. Might make her get moving a little bit. Okay. Ready? So this buyer just contacted me to go ahead and review their toy. And it's Superior Materials RC. Let's go. And so it's in the box just like this, and it's made out of plastic, and it can't open the doors. You know, sometimes maybe some of them do, right? But it's right there, and it's kind of pretty big for, you know, a remote car. Not the biggest, but let me see. Oops, wrong way I'm going. Okay, let me go and take this out. So I hope it did come with batteries because I don't have any. Okay, but here it is right here. Let me go and check what else it came with because it does have a screw under here. So it does not come with batteries, I believe, because if it did, it would be just a little bit heavier. Something in here is making a noise, if you guys can hear that. So we're gonna just check that out. But let me go and find some batteries. It's gonna be a double A, and let's go and get this thing started. Alrighty guys, so I did get some batteries, so, and it does work. So this here is only to go up and down, and this is to turn the wheel. So if you're gonna see, that's just to turn the wheel. And then we're gonna go let Novelle play with this, chase him. Look, she looking at me like crazy right there. Let's go. Oh, there she is. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and already. Yeah. Alrighty, guys. So I'll be signing off, and I'll see you guys. Tongue twisted. I'll see you in my next.